Hi kids! Today we are going to learn about opposite words. Let's get started. Guess the opposite word. Big. The opposite of big is small. Up. The opposite of up is down. Light. The opposite of light is dark. Hot. The opposite of hot is cold. Happy. The opposite of happy is sad. Fast. The opposite of fast is slow. Open. The opposite of open is close. Dry. The opposite of dry is wet. Young. The opposite of young is old. Right. The opposite of right is left. Full. The opposite of full is empty. Good. The opposite of good is bad. Good job! Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you. Bye.